In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a dashboard widget on Smartsheet. To follow along, make sure you're already signed into your Smartsheet account and that you have permission to edit the dashboard you're working on. You should also have the dashboard open in your browser so you can see the widgets you want to update. On your Smartsheet dashboard, start by moving your mouse over the widget you'd like to change. This could be a chart, a metric, a shortcut, or any other visual element you've already added to the dashboard. When you hover over that widget, you'll see a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 vertical dots in the upper corner of the widget. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small context menu specific to that widget. This menu is where Smartsheet groups actions you can take on the widget, like editing, duplicating, or deleting it. Be careful here, because some of these options are more permanent, such as deleting the widget, while others simply adjust how it looks or what it displays. From this menu, look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. Choosing Edit will open the widget's editing panel or settings window, depending on the type of widget you're working with. This is the area where you can change the widget's data source, text, formatting, title, colors, or layout, again depending on the widget's function. Once you're in the Edit view, take a moment to review the available settings before making changes. For example, for a chart widget, you might see options to adjust the underlying sheet, the columns used, or the chart type. For a text widget, you'll see a rich text editor where you can change wording, alignment, or font styling. Make small intentional changes and think about how they support the overall purpose of your dashboard. As you make updates, many of the changes will show in a live preview, so you can immediately see how they affect the look and feel of your dashboard. If something doesn't look right, simply adjust the settings again until you're satisfied. When you're done editing, confirm or save your changes using the button